In this video, I explain what depression is and how important it is to talk about suicide prevention. We look at how to recognize depression and what can be done to help yourself or others. Depression is a serious illness that affects thinking, feeling, and behavior. It can make people feel constantly sad or empty. Those affected often lose interest in activities they used to enjoy. It is important to know that depression is a treatable condition. Signs of depression include constant fatigue, sleep disorders, and a reduced interest in social activities. The feeling of being unable to do anything, or being worthless, is also typical of depression. Affected people often have trouble making decisions or concentrating. It is important to recognize these symptoms early. Depression can be triggered by many factors, such as stress, traumatic experiences, or a genetic predisposition. Unfavorable living conditions like bullying or loneliness can also contribute to depression. Hormonal changes or health problems also play a role. Every person reacts differently to such stressors. People with depression often feel very sad or empty. They have the feeling that nothing makes sense anymore. These feelings can become so intense that they make everyday life very difficult. Depression also affects self-esteem and the perception of one's own abilities. Suicidal thoughts are a very serious symptom of depression. Those who have such thoughts often see no way out of their current situation. It is important not to ignore these thoughts and to seek help in time. Suicidal thoughts are a sign that the depression has worsened. Suicide prevention means taking action to support people with suicidal thoughts. This includes paying attention to warning signs and offering help. It is important to talk about your feelings and not to isolate yourself. Professional help, such as a therapist or doctor, can also be a crucial support. Talking with trusted people is an important step in suicide prevention. It helps to share your burden and reduce the feeling of loneliness. Those affected by suicidal thoughts should not hesitate to ask for help. Open conversations can often help improve the situation. Those suffering from depression should not hesitate to seek professional help. A therapist or psychiatrist can help understand and treat the causes of depression. There are different forms of therapy tailored to the individual's needs. The first step toward improvement is to accept help. Friends and family can be a great support for people with depression. They should watch for signs and encourage the person to seek help. It is important that they show understanding and do not judge. A trusting relationship can help overcome the depression.